Area, hello, now they welcome for Football and Pidgin. After match, talk about how you see them. AC Milan 0 and Chelsea 2, and we get Oga Gideon, will be very ogbonge Chelsea fan. May tell us about how you see this game. Chelsea don't collect 6 points for AC Milan head, and Chelsea don't go top of the group for Group E. After that, they are poor start. How you see Chelsea performance, Oga Gideon?
Normally, this match, as I say, I don't feel talk. I don't believe say Chelsea will beat AC Milan for their home today. Because I believe say no AC Milan they form this season. So surprisingly to me, so as this match already starts so today, I don't get that confidence say Chelsea go win. But as I come to that, I see say first of all they don't fair give tomorrow red card. Now that I believe say we go fail with the match. But overall the team performance they try, but what they play for second half, what I expect. I needed more goals, but I no consider because anybody player say they play, we know they forward down. The Chelsea team as they will see the one they try and improve because the way they see if Chelsea continue this way, because what I expect for this second half, no be what I get. We know if you play Arsenal like this, even though Arsenal dey Europa League, when it comes to the league, we know if you play Arsenal with this kind of performance, I will know if you play Man City with this kind of performance. So I go believe something they improve because this second half no be what I expect. Nobody they run, nobody they make runs. The chances wey I say they create, nobody they fit deliver. So we go need to improve on this performance because, like what I thought, we did lucky because first of all the red card first, now if give us that first advantage.
So talking about the red card now, you think say that red card tomorrow deserve the red card?
No, that will not be red card. To be honest, that will not be red card because after the first match, I go on Twitter, I just they check the fouls and wait some go.com and all the rest. They talk about the red card. So if you watch the challenge, that challenge normally undeniably na penalty. But say tomorrow it deserve red card, no be red card. Yellow card they reasonable. Okay. But if you watch the match, I don't know what the ref they think, what did the ref man, whether they vex, whether I get bad belly for both the Chelsea and the AC Milan players. I don't understand. Any small light challenge like this, yellow card. Any small challenge, yellow card. But to me, that ball no be red card. I mean that foul wey tomorrow carry out against a man, no be red card. That ball a yellow card, but a penalty for sure. Okay. Penalty for sure.
But for this game now, we know say Chelsea players play well normally. But which Chelsea player now you think say play past all the rest players? Which player you think say be your own man of the match?
Normally, if I want to give man of the match, normally I go give my own to Kovacic because the way I like the way they handle the midfield. Because if you see Chelsea problem for how many years now, only midfield and able to they come, but we know they feel hold that midfield. And I tell our problem till they come from midfield down to the attack, down to the striker. But I'm so happy to say for this match, first of all, Aubameyang don't get goal. And for the last 3 matches now, he does see goals. So I'm happy to say they score, but I'll give it to Kovacic for me as my man of the match.
All right. You talk about Aubameyang now, eh? Yes. Aubameyang, when he come Chelsea, when he take that Chelsea number 9 jersey, some people call the talk say that Chelsea number 9 jersey get cost. Because many players don't come, big players, star players, they don't collect that number 9 jersey, they flop, they don't fit score. They no fit perform. But with what you see for Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang now, you think saying go fit do well with that Chelsea number 9 jersey?
You never can tell. You never can tell because that number 9 are heavyweights. For the past almost 8 to 10 years now, whenever I see get a prolific attacker, we go say if you went 9, if you were 11, no, if you were that number, you go to perform. But once that player don't carry 9 like this, it just be as if all a confidence level don't drop. But for the past 3 matches now, past 4 matches now, not be say they play too well, oh. Not be say they play too well. If they feel retain ball normally, they feel retain ball, they feel drop and try to the enter space. But for me, what I believe about Aubameyang, we say if you give a ball, he go score. If you see that ball, he go score. Now just for we to get creative players, because to me, we don't get that creative man for Chelsea where they feel 6 spaces, where they feel think runs, where they feel see players run to say give the attacker, see where the attacker dey. Okay, if you watch Haaland for example, not be say Haaland too good, but Haaland is a balanced attacker where be say the position where if you see ball, he go score. And why? Because he get midfielders where they give a ball to score. Not be just so they say you be attacker. Who they feel give you ball to score? Attacker work no be to they come midfield every time to call the fine ball, Now be waiting Chelsea the experience. If you watch our attackers now for the past how many years now, we know they feel perform because most of the attackers I say we get I think they like stationary attackers. We go just like to the middle, they found go give the ball. You understand? Those attackers I say they go find ball to score. Or because we don't get that creative midfielders where they see attackers runs to give the ball to score. So you never can tell like what I talk. I know go just come to say but because they don't score today for this match against AC Milan. Score for our Premier League match. Still score again for the last. I think it's for like 3 matches now. The guy don't score. So you never can tell. But from what they play now, as it sound like person if they get that goals. If on probability, if they see the ball. If they see the ball, once he don't the other position, once they get the chances, Aubameyang will deliver. That one for sure.
All right, make I ask you about Graham Potter now. Wait till you see Chelsea they play under Graham Potter and wait till Chelsea play under Thomas Tuchel. So you as a Chelsea fan, you think say any difference there?
Namora. First of all, Namora. I know Sabi George coaches. It's why they watch football. I know Sabi George coach from first 10 matches. First 20. See, even first 20 matches, you know go fit judge coach. Because first of all, before coach, they sack coach. Things don't they happen way like say even we more they watch the ball, no they see. And those things that they happen for the dressing room. If you say those players all lose confidence on Tuchel, because normally we're not supposed to even lose against Dynamo Zagreb. Who be Dynamo Zagreb for where Chelsea for they play football? Our first match we lose against Dynamo Zagreb. Not be say we know to play too well, but we they see the chances, but nobody they fit deliver. Now the problem there. So I feel say. Because if you watch when the sack Lampard, the Coca Tuchel come, what's happen? The boys morale and we use that same morale to win the Champions League normally. So what's it gonna put at the player? I like the style. Normally the way they take the wing backs, the right back and the left back they carry ball they enter. Especially if you watch Reece James, the way they carry ball and the way Chilwell they carry ball, and they like them so that the attackers if they see ball and the midfielders go they see space so they create chances. So overall now, the guy they do well. Overall now, but I know we'll just judge her now because he just a start. And because in our new coach, first of all, because our new coach, the players morale high now. So we'll see give her like more matches, most waiting if you do. But currently the guy is doing well. He's doing well, they improve.
Now you talk about morale now, before I let you go, you talk about say morale don't high. All the players don't get ginger normally as new coach come.
Yeah.
You talk about when Tuchel come, they use that ginger to win Champions League. You they see another Champions League win again this season.
You never can tell. Because, no. But as a true Chelsea fan, never they see him. I never they see him because the team currently never balance. We never balance. You still get the likes of PSG. Even though PSG know they do well. You still get the likes of Man City. Currently, Chelsea know if we play Man City, say we go win. Normally, we feel just try, defend, we drop, but normally they go beat us. As a true Chelsea fan, may I say we they talk to, don't be say we all they use a sentiment they talk. Normally, Man City go beat us. And the second even though Arsenal self, we know if Arsenal is unplayable currently. Arsenal is unplayable. Don't forget Man U beat the Arsenal is unplayable currently. So if we come about to the Champions League now, Champions League will be well. What's our fit say we feel win. See our group now we don't feel win 2 games in a row to take out 6 points, and on top of AC Milan head. So you still get the likes of PSG, you still get the likes of Man City, you still get the likes of Madrid. Those are our team where I see with a look. Where I say I'm not sure say Chelsea go fit beat, but I believe they will reach semi-final. But for the finals, I'm not sure. With this current morale where the players get now, we finish semis, but I'm not sure we will reach the final.
All right, now, Gideon, thank you for your time. Your face show.